So these are the finds from the hunt. Some checkers on the pennies, copper that I'm keeping, a couple that might be able to add to the album. Then we had a 2021 Philly that's in good circulated condition that I could put in. A couple 64Ds, a couple that keepers that I do. 1980 was one. There was a 70D and I think a 2004, 2004 Keelboat. And then the Dimes came out with a couple that look a little awestruck. Did find a 2017. Oops, sorry about that. A 2017 Philly dime, and it's hard to find Phillies here where I'm at. So seeing the Philly, I was like, "Ooh, I'm gonna add that." But that's the hunt. It was a good hunt for me. I enjoyed.